And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is Michael, the so-called FXFreedom, and this is the Professional Forex Trading Course 101, courtesy of Dukascopy, everybody. Never forget, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way. And also never forget that you are going to graduate from this course when, number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number two, you have your strategy in place, you understand why you win, why you lose. And no, you don't need to be consistently profitable, everybody. And number three, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Follow the correct steps. Number one, finish the Forex course 101 and prove to yourself that you are a fairly good analyst. Number two, join the Advanced Institutional Traders course, not for free, start saving money and prove to yourself that you are consistent with your profits. Number three, join a capital group or ask for capital and work with us. You cannot get rich on a $100 account, right? For questions and homeworks, you have the email, everybody, email contact and business contact. The topic today, how to trade market structure. Very good, excellent. So let's open JForex4, right? Quick recap. Let me see, everybody. Quick recap. What's this in here? AUD. Okay. Any questions so far? We talked about highs and lows already. Golden nugget, not every high and low is relevant, right? Then we talked about the market wave, which is here. Everybody, which is here. Market wave. Every single time frame has its own specific patterns. Monthly chart in here, everybody. AUD/JPY. USD/JPY monthly chart. We talked about tradable, not tradable patterns, right? AUD/JPY, AUD/JPY daily, NZD/CAD daily chart. Oh, there you go. This is in Portuguese, everybody, don't bother. Okay, so out. AUD/JPY 1 hour chart. Out. Gold monthly out, AUD/JPY daily chart out, monthly, AUD/CAD weekly. Okay, so we have AUD/CAD weekly. Trend is a sequence of highs and lows. We talked about this in here. Every single time frame has its own. Okay, everybody, do you have any strange? I send notification, but I don't see people joining. Not a problem, Captain. Not a problem. As a matter of fact, I didn't receive the notification on the JForex platform. Okay, but not a problem. Okay. I had the JForex opened, but the notification did not appear. But people know, don't worry. People know that we are on YouTube, Dukascopy webinars. Okay. Not a problem. We're going to do this anyway. Okay, moving forward, everybody. Oh, now you have it. Trader course, how to trade market structure. Very good. Now it appeared. We can see it. Dismiss. Okay, everybody. So one more time, we are going to clone the chart and we're going to go to NZD/CAD weekly chart. NZD/CAD weekly chart, and we are going to zoom out, everybody. Okay, and we are going to connect highs and lows, and we are going to connect what it's called the market wave, right? We talked about the market wave, we clarified about the short-term trends. So extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Give me a second, everybody. Okay, this is enough until here. And transparency, colors, everybody. In the meantime, if you want to check another currency pair, feel free to ask everybody. NZD CAD. Open a weekly chart and Drew chart the market wave on NZD CAD weekly chart. How to trade market structure is really a no-brainer, everybody. Okay, you should be able to make consistent pips and money with this kind of strategy. You know, it's not really a strategy per se. Hello Julius, how are you? Hello Mike, how are you? Okay, so it's a no-brainer. Now we are on NZD CAD weekly chart, right? Now the market wave, we talked about the market wave already, everybody. We have a down extension, down retracement, down extension, okay? And we clarified that the market waves, relevant highs and lows, are the borderlines between extensions and retracements. Remember, everybody? Okay? If you can implement this way of doing things today, you should be able to make some pips and money. Okay? Now here is the bad news. The market wave works on the monthly chart, the market wave works on the weekly chart, the market wave works on the daily chart, the market wave even works on the 4-hour chart. But the market wave doesn't work that well on the 15-minute chart, 10-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 1-hour chart. Okay, everybody? The smaller the time frame, the more noise is it going to have. Can you understand this, everybody? The smaller the time frame, the more noise. What does this mean? The market wave is going to work 7 times out of 10 on the monthly, weekly, daily, 4-hour. But when you go on the 15-minute chart, it could be 50-50. Boss, can you repeat, please? Yes, sir. The market wave as a tradable pattern is going to work out, is going to make you money 7 times out of 10 on the monthly, weekly, daily, and the 4-hour chart. But when you go on the 15-minute chart example, then it's going to win maybe 50% of the time. Okay? Oh, is that so? Yes, it is. Okay, try. Okay, how to trade market structure, everybody. We covered that the market wave high and the market wave low and the market wave high and the market wave low, those are the borderlines when we are going to see the change in the short-term trend. Okay? Now, no-brainer, everybody. How to trade market structure, meaning how to trade the market wave, how to trade the market wave. Okay? Number 1, wait to see a confirmed, wait to see a confirmed trend to confirm end of retracement, end of retracement. And number 2, after you enter the market, the stop loss goes above or below. Now this is the important part. The stop loss goes below, above or below the previous market wave high or low. Everybody take a screenshot of this, make a picture, type in the chat done when you're ready so we can move forward. How to trade the market wave. Number one, way to see a confirmation. When to see a confirmed trend to confirm the end of retracement. And number two, after you enter the market, the stop loss goes above or below the previous market wave high or low. Yes, give me a second. I'm going to explain you everything. Just type in the chat done. YouTubers, type in the chat done when you're ready so we can move forward. Yes, this is enough to make some pips and money, everybody. Yes, from the monthly, weekly, daily, and the 4 hour. Does this work on the 15 minute? Not that. I mean, as a matter of fact, I really don't know. I never traded the 15-minute chart. Okay. Everybody, if you're asking if market wave works on the 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, I don't know. 1 hour chart, boss, I don't know either. I don't have any data, everybody. Okay, so if you're going to backtest this, do it on the demo account first. Done, hello Joy. Okay, now wait to see a confirmed trend, right? So we have a down market wave, everybody. Okay, we have a down market wave like this. We have a down market wave like this, right? So number one, wait to see a confirmed trend to confirm the end of the retracement. Okay, the market's making lower lows, lower highs, everybody. The market's making lower lows, lower highs. Blue and okay, market's making lower lows, lower highs. When I say wait to see a confirmed trend to confirm the end of retracement, are we talking about this leg? Type in the chat, yes or no. We are going to trade the yellow market wave, and I'm telling you, wait to see a confirmed trend to confirm the end of retracement. Is the end of retracement going to happen here? Market making lower lows, lower highs. Type in the chat, yes or no. Is this leg an extension leg or is this yellow leg a retracement leg? If you understand if this leg is an extension leg or if this leg on the yellow is a retracement leg, then you are going to understand what and where you need to see, okay, the end of retracement. Is this leg, everybody, the end of retracement leg? Is this the extension leg or is this a retracement leg? Hedge fund trader Julius, come on man. Hedge fund trader Mike. Joy says extension leg, very good. So number one does not apply in here. Okay, so we are going to wait. Okay, and then the market, the market wave is going to start to retracing, so it starts going to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Okay, now is this the environment, everybody, that we are going to wait to see a confirmed trend to confirm the end of retracement? Boss, it's a downtrend. This is in general, makes sense, everybody? It goes both sides. You are correct, but I wrote in general. So the market's making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Is it in here that we are going to wait? Julius extension. Dimitar says this is an extension leg. Yes, sir. Okay, everybody. So I'm going to color code differently, you know, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Is in here, everybody, is the red that we are going to see the end of retracement, the red one? Type in the chat, everybody. Red short-term trend is going to show us the end of retracement, or the blue short-term trend is going to show us the end of retracement. Which one? Is the blue or the red? So I need to color code this differently. Short-term uptrend. Julius, not yet. Everybody wait to see a confirmed trend to confirm the end of retracement. Is the blue that you are going to wait to change to red? Or is the red that you are going to wait to change into blue? Which one? Type in the chat blue to red or red to blue. No, come on, we don't bite, you know. Are you going to wait? Which one is the end of retracement? When the market changes from the blue to red, from the short-term downtrend to a short-term uptrend, or is the end of retracement when the short-term uptrend, the red one, changes back to blue into a short-term downtrend? Julius, the red. Dimitar, red to blue. Joy, red to blue. Excellent, very good. We learned about how to confirm a trend, everybody. Remember 25%, 25%, 25%, 25 together 100. So wait to see a confirmed trend. This is a rule. Number 2, you enter the market. Good news for you. It doesn't matter where. Don't bother about where, you know, this is our 6th or 7th lesson. Just short the market, but the stop loss goes above or below the previous market wave high or low. So if I'm going to enter somewhere in here, give me a second. If I'm going to enter at the green, everybody, if I'm going to enter at the green dotted line, now let's make a straight line, okay? If I'm going to sell, if I'm going to short at the green, what are the rules saying? Should the stop loss goes above the stop, let's write this down. So should the stop loss go in here, the first, or should the stop loss go above the second? And I'm going to write in here, everybody. So this is going to be stop loss number 1, and up in here is going to be stop loss number 2. Which one is the correct stop loss according to the rules? Blue to red. Julius, no, red to blue. Red to blue is the end of retracement. Everybody, extensions are bigger or longer or wider than the retracement. Okay? So the correct answer is the end of retracement when the market changes from blue to red or from red to blue. The correct answer is when the market changes from red to blue. Not blue to red, Julius. Okay? If this is too complicated, everybody, just remember that extensions must be bigger, wider, longer, any vocabulary you use it, compared to retracements. Make sense? Sometimes you have a down extension leg. Sometimes the retracement is going to be a very deep retracement, very deep. It could be away 1 pip. It still doesn't change the thing that this is the extension leg and this is the retracement leg. Make sense, Julius? Boss, I don't know how to do this. Measure. Start measuring. If this is too complicated, everybody, measure. Measure how many pips or points is our retracement and how many pips or points, you know, are in the extension. Okay, this is a deep, sometimes happens, deep retracements. Okay, which one is the correct stop loss? Stop loss number 1. Okay, anybody else? Which one is the correct stop loss, everybody? Joyce says stop loss number 1, it's correct. After you enter the market, the stop loss goes above or below the previous market wave high, Joy, not the most recent one. Everybody, which is the correct stop loss? Stop loss number 1 or stop loss number 2? Some of you are losing money, which is normal. We've all been there. Some of you are losing money because you don't understand the stop loss. The point is extension and retracement, extension, enlargement, and retracement. Yes. Hedge fund trader Mike, hedge fund trader Dimitar, hedge fund trader Julius. Which one is the correct stop loss? Stop loss number 1 or stop loss number 2? Dimitar says stop loss number 2. Anybody else online? Hedge fund trader Shola, hedge fund trader Ala, hedge fund trader Clara. Stop loss number 1 or stop loss number 2? Okay, another example. You have an extension leg and then the market starts a retracement. Okay, you enter the market, clone, and clone, and clone, and clone. Everybody, another example. Which one is the correct stop loss? Stop loss number 1 or stop loss number 2? Julius number 1, Jordanka number 1. New picture, everybody. I'm going to, so you said, most of you said number 1 and only Dimitar said number 2. What about this picture? Which one is the correct stop loss? You enter here, you have a confirmed downtrend, right? You have here counter trend line break, which is we're going to learn, and you entered here. You are shorting the market. Which one is the correct stop loss? Stop loss number 1 or stop loss number 2? Same question. Same question, everybody. Type in the chat. Which one is the correct stop loss? Stop loss number 1 or stop loss number 2? Golden nugget for you, everybody. In the meantime, golden nugget to do. Golden nugget for you. Golden nugget. Okay. Every specific tradable pattern has its own specific rules of where to put the stop loss. The market wave, the short-term trend, the head and shoulders, pennants, unicorns and dolphins, everybody, they have specific rules where to put the stop loss. Hello Dancy, how are you? Number 2 is the right in second picture. Stop loss goes on a pen traded, number 2. Everybody, which one is the correct answer? Jordanka, what do you think? Dimitar, what do you think? Joy, what do you think? Ala, what do you think? Which one is the correct? You've set stop loss number 1 in here, right? Now some of you are changing. You say, oh, it's stop loss number 2. Which one? Julius is changing. Julius said, oh, no, stop loss number 1, it's not correct. The stop loss number 2 is correct. Mike says stop loss number 1. Everybody, the correct answer is stop loss number 2. Okay, market wave, extension, retracement. Okay, now here is the logic behind. Everybody who is thinking, number 1, wrong answer. Everybody who is thinking, that the correct stop loss is the stop loss number 1 on the yellow pattern. Listen to me very carefully. This is why you might be losing still. It's all about education. You need to educate yourself in the correct way. You might be losing big. You might have great entries, but you are losing big because you don't understand the stop loss. What do we have to understand? It's just a stop loss. Wrong answer again. Everybody, you are trading the yellow market wave. If you put, everybody, this is the logic behind, pay attention. If you put the stop loss number 1 and the market starts to reverse and stops you out on the stop loss number 1, did the market broke the pattern? Type in the chat yes or no. Is number 1 not the previous high? No, the number 1 is the most recent high. Everybody, if you put the stop loss on number 1 and the market stops you out, did the market broke the down market wave? Yes or no? Yes or no? And here is the big truth: when 95% online, it's total BS, everybody. Unless you are an algorithmic trader, short stops don't work. Boss, one more time. Unless you are an algorithmic trader or a system trader, short stops don't work. Why not? Because the pattern is still there. I want a 20 pip stop, doesn't work. I want a $50 stop, doesn't work. Because once the market goes up and down and you re-enter and you get stopped out 5 times and you re-enter 5 times, this way of doing, everybody, education wise, I'm not your father, it's not correct. Pat yourself on the back, not your fault, maybe you just never learned the correct way. If you put the stop loss in here, you got stopped out and you re-enter again, and you put your stop loss up in here and you got stopped out, black arrow, and you got stopped out again and you re-enter again, and the market is playing with you. Market not efficient, consolidation. This guy up in here is still safe. Here is the big question. Does this make sense to you? Stop loss number 1, it's wrong because the pattern is still valid. Okay? So in here, beginner traders, you are losing money. Why? Because you get inside the ring, you get into the fight between bears and bulls, bulls and bears. The rule is the previous high, not recent high, exactly. You will enter again higher in the wave and you will lose less. How do you know that you are going to lose less? Can you explain the second rule above? Second rule above. Sure. Everybody, do you understand the logic behind why the stop loss number 1 is wrong? Mike, in theory you are right, but what if you have 10 losers? Then what? This oscillation, is it better to be estimated? Everybody, I don't have time to fight with you. Some of you are going to accept. Some of you are going to reject. My life is not going to change. Fair enough? Some of you are going to accept that every specific tradable pattern has its own specific rules, where to put the stop loss. This is the correct answer. Some of you are choosing not to listen to me, and you are going to put the stop loss on number 1. Not a problem. Make sense? Fair enough? But if your way is not working, then what? Your way. No, stop loss number 1. Okay. Are you making any money with stop loss number 1? No, but the unicorn webinar on YouTube channel said, I don't care. Make sense, everybody? Making money in the markets, it's not that difficult. It's really quite simple. Money in 2023, it's made the same way it was made in 1960s, 1940s, whatever might be the case, 1918. Your grandfather made money in the market the same way that you do today. And it's not your fault because people are trying to invent hot water and talking about, I mean, my head hurts when you see all the BS that's online. Like trading back in the footsteps of the banks and mitigations and I mean, you know, come on. Make sense? Boss, I don't agree with you. Good. I love, you know? Numbers are going to tell you, everybody. Make sense? This profession, it's not a fight between I am right and you are wrong. If you have the numbers, if you are consistently profitable, then continue. But if you are not, then what? Fair enough, everybody? Talking about being fair? Okay, now, here is the kicker. Here the market starts to make lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So the trend changed, the shortened trend is changing direction, right? Okay, now, the correct answer, everybody, is stop loss number 2. This high, now this is education. This market wave high, it's not confirmed yet. Boss, yes it is because it has 2 candles on the left and 2 candles on the right. This market wave high, it's not confirmed yet and is going to be confirmed only when shortened trend is going to fall enough, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and bam, made a new lower low. Joy, maybe this is what you were asking? Only and only when the market makes a new lower low, even for a pip, then you can draw another down extension leg, everybody, and only then, so one more time, yellow color, and like this, and like this, give me a second. Only and only then, everybody, starting from now on, this, so this is stop loss number 2, only and only then when you are going to see, give me a second, everybody, okay, if you want to trade, right, only and only then, on the next retracement, on the next end of retracement, only and only then you put the stop loss above in here. Why, boss? Why? Because down extension, new retracement, this becomes the previous high. Everybody type in the chat feedback. Can you understand this? Does this make sense to you, or it's too complicated? Exactly, until we don't have the confirmation. Until we don't have the confirmation that we have a new extension leg, everybody, the stop loss goes, until we don't have a new confirmation with the market making a new lower low on the market wave, the stop loss should go above in here. This is the logic behind. It's not about being right or wrong, this is simply the logic. Once the market makes a new lower low, okay, lower low compared to the previous low, now this confirms the new extension leg on the yellow market wave, okay? And you are going to wait, if you're going to listen to me, you are going to wait for the next retracement, and you are just going to do repeat the low. You are going to just to repeat the sequence. Make sense, everybody? Next golden nugget. Some of you are losing still because you put the stop loss in the wrong place. Some of you might lose because you are entering in extensions instead of retracements. This is a big one too. Make sense? If the market is down in here, right? If the market is... Yes, it's good news. If the market is down in here, everybody, and you short the market down in here, you know, counter trendline break, which we're going to learn, and you enter in here, you are not entering in end of retracement. You are entering in extensions. How many of you can relate to this? How many of you are entering in the extensions on the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 50-minute chart, whatever chart, just to see the market reverse the trend and stop you out? Type in the chat me, everybody. How many of you are entering end of extensions or extensions? Pat yourself on the back, it's all good, not your fault, this is how we learn. Make sense, everybody? This is why breakout strategies for beginner traders don't work. You know? You are on YouTube, right? Watching it. Rainbow Unicorn Channel Trader, and you are trading the JP Morgan Chase Unicorn Robot, right? And they are teaching you, you know, the breakout strategy, you know, and you are here as a beginner trader, you know, and you are going to see the breakout on the 15-minute chart, whatever, and as soon as you buy the market starts to do this. Why? Why? Because you bought an extension, retracement extension, market wave, or the short-term trend. Make sense, everybody? Dimitar, it happened. Yep. If we put stop loss number 2 and our money is not enough, how to handle it? Great question. You don't enter the trade, everybody. This is why we are telling you in here, follow the correct steps. Number 3, join a capital group or ask for capital or work with us. You cannot get rich on $100. Everybody, money is a factor. Great question, Joy. You don't enter. Make sense, everybody? I have a great question on another streaming platform. Boss, the stop loss logics works the same on the short-term trends? Absolutely yes. Doesn't need to be a market wave. You have a short-term trend on the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, whatever, everybody. Make sense? And you see something like this on the short-term trend. You are going to enter here. Stop loss must be down in here. Because this is the short-term trend low, this is the short-term trend low, and this is the short-term trend low. And this is the short-term trend high. And this is the short-term trend high. So if you put the stop loss in the wrong way, at the wrong place, everybody, the market can stop you out easily and then reverse and goes back up. How many can relate to this? It's really good news if you can understand, everybody. You should be happy right now. Oh my gosh, so I was right on the trend. Yes, you were. Pat yourself on the back. You were correct on the trend. You just need to understand the stop loss. How many times, everybody, you were stopped out and then the market reversed and went your way and you said to yourself, oh, I was right. You know, oh, the market is playing with me, or oh, they are stop loss hunting. There is no such thing as stop loss hunting. I'm telling you, this is not that difficult if you are willing to listen to me. Right, Julius? Right, Julius, everybody, he is in the Advanced Institutional Trader course. He's learning about the business. You know, same logic in here. Okay, everybody, ends the cat. Time to check the charts. Here and clone the chart. We're going to delete just to see the chart, everybody. Delete this one, delete this one, delete. You can check the market wave on all currency pairs of your choice, everybody. Okay, today we're going to check NZD daily chart. Tomorrow it's up to you. Type in the chat. Okay, everybody, so we are here, November 2017, right? We've seen the short-term trend on the daily, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. We've seen the short-term trend on the daily, making higher highs, higher lows, retracement. And we've seen the short-term trend on the daily, making lower lows, lower highs again. Yellow line, we have a confirmed market wave on the daily. Now, we are going to wait. We are going to monitor the short-term trend. 1, 2, 3. We are going to monitor the short-term trend, everybody. And let's see if we learned anything today. Now, let's zoom in. Okay, question number 1. Did the market change the short-term trend? Do we have a confirmed short-term trend, everybody? Do we have a confirmed short-term trend that's making lower lows, lower highs? Type in the chat, yes or no. Julius, let's give this video a like, please, because we are receiving great knowledge. Thank you very much, Julius. Everybody, do we agree that we have a change, confirmed change? The rule says wait for a confirmed trend that is going to show you the end of retracement. Do we have it, everybody? Do we have, yes or no? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. One more time. Stop loss number 1 is the correct stop loss, or stop loss number 2 is the correct stop loss? Which one? Stop loss number 1 or stop loss number 2 on NZD daily chart? Which one? It should go on the previous high. Which one is the correct answer? Stop loss number 1 or stop loss number 2? Entering the market, everybody, is the easy part. A trained monkey, and I'm not kidding you, they've done tests. A trained monkey can click the mouse and enter the market. Is a trained monkey a trader? A 9-year-old child or teenager, whatever, can click the mouse and enter the market as a professional trader, as you do. Is the 19-year-old boy or girl a trader? Entering the market is the number two. Excellent, very good. So now we're going to monitor the market, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Oops, up higher highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Now, right now, see everybody, the market just made a new low compared to the previous one. Okay, so the market confirmed the down market wave. Now this becomes, the number 1 becomes relevant. Okay, so we're going to wait and wait and wait until the market changes direction again. Very good, excellent. So we're going to monitor the retracement. Let's zoom in, monitor the retracement. Everybody, okay, so same story, higher highs, higher lows. Do we agree, everybody, that we have a confirmed downtrend, lower lows, lower highs from the market wave? Same as before, same logic. Everybody, do we agree that we have confirmed highs and lows that are confirming the downtrend? Yes, okay, now which one is the correct stop loss? The correct stop loss number 1, I moved it from before, or is the correct stop loss the stop loss number 2? Which one is the correct stop loss? Is the most recent high the correct stop loss? Is the most recent market wave high the correct stop loss? Or is the previous high the correct stop loss? Then see, yes we do, we have lower lows, lower highs. Number 2, exactly. And we are here. See everybody what happens when you don't obey the rules? See everybody, what would happen if you would put the stop loss on the stop loss number 1? Can you see it right now? Question, if you would put the stop loss in the wrong place on the daily chart, would you be able to call me on the cell phone and told me, what you're teaching doesn't work? Yes or no? What's the question, boss? The question is, if you would put the stop loss on the stop loss number 1, would the market took you out? Would the market stop you out? Type in the chat, yes or no? Yes or no? If you put the stop loss in the wrong place, would the market stop you out? And somebody else who would put the stop loss in the correct place would still be safe. Would the market stop you out? Exactly. Exactly. Okay. Now, one last thing before we finish for today. For the beginner trader. Not this one. Okay. Look at NZD daily chart, everybody. Okay. If you, so question number 1. This is the best part on how to make money. Can you do this, everybody? Can you trade like this with those rules? Type in the chat, yes, I can trade like this, or type in the chat, no, I cannot trade like this. Okay. Question number 1. If you would put the stop loss in the correct place, would the market stop you out anywhere? Everybody. If you would trade the market wave in the correct way, meaning you would put the stop loss up in here, you would put the stop loss up in here, you would put the stop loss up in here, and it really doesn't matter where you would enter the market, you know, you can enter the market in here, and you could be entering in here in this leg, you know, in the first down you in here, you know, counter trend line break in here, second extension. Can you see it, everybody? If you would short the market anywhere, would the market stop you out, yes or no? And if the market would not stop you out, what does this mean? Would you make money? Would you make money, everybody, with the correct use of the stop loss every single time? And you can check this on all currency pairs. Would you make money, everybody, if you would use the stop loss in the correct way? And here is the good news for the beginner traders. Oh, you know, the timing, it's now the right time. You don't care. You don't care. You could be shorting the market here, here, or here, or here, here, here. If you would use the stop loss in the correct way, the market would never stop you out. Agreed, everybody? And here is the last one for today. Here is the last one. Until the market wave, until the market is going to give support to the market wave, it must not break the market wave high. Can you do this, everybody? Until the market's going to give support, until maybe better English, right? Until the market wave is going to work. Until the market wave is going to work, is going to work. Until the market wave is going to work, the market must not break the market wave high. Yes, if we determine take profit correctly. Michael, do we use no trade zone in market wave or not? No. No trade zone. Yes, you can use it. No trade zone, short and trend. Then see, it applies to the pattern that you are trading. Makes sense? I'm not using it on the market wave, but I do on the short trend. In conclusion, everybody, until the market wave is going to work, the market must not break the market wave high. So the market must not break this high. The market is not going to break this high. The market is not going to break this high. Right? Extension, retracement, extension. Now market waves are, right, the market is waving. See in here, everybody, the change, up market wave. And now we are in a down market wave, up and down, up and down, up and down. Make sense, everybody? Alright, very quickly, how can we help you? If you want quick results, number 1, everybody, ask for private lessons of the Forex course 101. Time is an issue, why would you waste it? Forex course 202, the institutional trader course, it's only when you are graduating. Some of you send me emails. I cannot accept you in the Forex course 202, in the advanced institutional trader course, everybody, until you have, number 1, your chart set up and ready for trading. You have a kind of strategy. You don't need to be a winner, just have some rules, not a problem. And number 3, you have a complete understanding of how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Okay? Before you can enter in the institutional trader course as Julius and Sheila and everybody else, you need to graduate from this one. And remember, the advanced course is not for free. Give yourself a year, learn the 1, 2, 3, and save money to come to the advanced course. Okay, everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow with another lesson. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom. Don't trade for money.